What's up, guys? John Shea here from the No Shame Income Vlog, and today I'm going to be talking about a method that you guys can actually go and pretty much replicate. You can see here, reading right on this page, Formula 10K reveals a beginner-friendly method that literally took Philippe from seeing zeros in his account to $500 a day in earnings, and learn how to replicate this in less than 10 minutes. So today I'm actually going to go through, talk about this particular product, see if this is something that is BS or if it's actually true, and we're going to really go through the entire thing. So before we jump into today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. If you have any questions or comments, leave me a comment below, and let's dive into today's video. Alright, so again, as I mentioned, today we're going to be talking about a product called the Formula 10K. So they claim that you can earn as much as $500 a day, and you can replicate this in less than 10 minutes. It's 100% newbie friendly, fail-proof method. It's automated. It works like a charm in 2020. No websites or tech stuff. You can get free traffic on demand, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. Then they show a bunch of income-proof claims. They've got a lot of screenshots here showing some of the earnings they're making. They're earning, basically getting payments 24/7, 365. It's duplicatable. You can basically make up to 10K in 30 days. So you guys get the gist of this, right? I'm not going to go through everything on the sales page, but this is pretty vague, and I had to come in here and kind of figure out, is this the real thing? What's going on with this? Are their claims actually true? So today I'm going to go through the actual members area. I'm going to show you guys some of the bonuses that I'll provide to you if you decide to pick up the Formula 10K through me. If you're like, hey, this product sounds like something I'm really interested in, and you go pick this up, I'm going to actually throw in some bonuses, products of my own, that you'll get in addition to the Formula 10K. And then I'll walk you through the some of the upsells and other offers that they're going to make to you after you pick up the Formula 10K. So let's start out with the membership area, right? So I actually went into the members area, and I actually went through most of these videos. This is actually taught by someone by the name of Philippe, who is utilizing essentially a method that is known as launch jacking. Now, if you've never heard of launch jacking, the idea of this is that there's lots of internet marketing trainings, software, various products that come out on a regular basis, right? So through the month of September, we might have a given anywhere, there could be like 60 different products that come out in the internet marketing space. So there's a lot of buzz that kind of comes up around these different products, new things getting launched all the time, and people will go and search for information about these products, right? They'll like type in, product name review, they'll go do research on it, and ultimately people are now getting inundated with emails from all these marketers saying, hey, you need to go buy this cool thing, right? And there's so many people talking about whatever that new product is. It gets people excited, and it kind of creates like this storm of people that are interested in this. So if you go and do research on this as someone interested in the product, right, you guys might be thinking, oh, well, I'm going to go do a review, look for reviews on Formula 10K. Is this a legitimate product? You're going to go to YouTube or go on Google and look for information about this, right? So you may have come across this video potentially because either you want to make $500 a day or you were looking for some more information about this product. So really the idea of this is that they talk about mindset, income proof. So he actually does go through and actually show you some of the results. If I hit play here, I'm going to just mute him. Let's see if we can get to where he actually shows some of the screenshots. So I'll actually pause this, and if I full screen it, well, I can't do this because of the way my recording is, but it's a little bit tough to see, but you can actually see in the last 30 days, he actually shows that he earned $5,033.57. So he's not actually BSing based on the income proof that he's able to claim inside this program. And more or less, it goes through the proven method of going out there and actually utilizing these reviews, doing this launch jacking formula, going through finding product launches, getting yourself organized, getting approved so you can promote these offers, and more or less how to utilize free traffic, which is YouTube, right? You guys are here right now watching me on YouTube. This is a great way to get lots of traffic, people going out there and seeing your offers. So he goes through the entire process of getting buyer emails, making your review videos, ranking your videos on YouTube, uploading everything, and then he goes into some other methods on how to increase your earnings using these same methods. So I think for what it is and for the cost, I mean, you could go out there and apply some of the things that he's teaching you here, and you could easily make your money back, right? I believe this particular course, and I'm going to actually show you guys, when they initially launched this, it's literally only going to be $13. So for $13, you can actually go learn a method. They say, from 0 to 10,000. He does show some income proof of actually earning $5,000 in a month. So, I mean, you could go out there, apply this method, and you could probably make anywhere from $100 to $200, $300 very, very easily. I've actually gone out, and I'm even going to pause the video now. I forgot to pull this up, but I want to show you an example of where I went and did this myself. So let me pause the video and come back and show you. Alright, so I pulled up an example of me doing this same launch jacking method. Now, earlier last month, a product released called Vanquish. So I actually went out there and I made a video on my channel. You can see I had a nice thumbnail design, and basically I labeled this Vanquish Review, Done For You High Ticket Offers, Get My Exclusive Bonuses. So this video got 52 views, which isn't a lot, but from these views and from utilizing my email list on top of that, I was able to send this out to people that follow me, and I wanted to show you the stats from promoting this. So I actually ended up getting 42 people to go and click through my link, meaning that I would get credit if anybody purchased that product, and I ended up making 13 sales. So on average, every person that was sent to the page, I actually earned about $11.82, and in total, I was able to earn $496.48. So essentially, I made $500 in a day going out there and promoting this product. And you can see I've actually done this with many, many other products. Some of them haven't done quite as well, but these were actually older promotions I was doing where I wasn't utilizing some of the extra tips and tricks that they talk about inside the 10K formula. So really what it comes down to is if you guys decide that, hey, you know, this sounds like something I'd really like to get involved with, I'm going to actually throw in some amazing extra bonuses for those of you who pick up the Formula 10K. So I'm including the 0-hour workdays program. This is basically all about traffic and affiliate marketing. It gives you some extra ways that you can go out there and actually increase your earnings going out there and doing internet marketing. I'm going to give you access to affiliate marketing secrets. This is actually kind of enhancing the same strategy where you can go out and do interviews with some of the product creators of these products and make even more money by doing interviews. So it's a great way to build relationships with people that launch products, create products, and this goes into all the strategies around that. You're also going to get access to the Evergreen Leads Business ebook. This is basically a book on all about everything you need to know about getting leads for your business. If you're someone that's interested in maybe landing more clients, you're getting leads, things like that, I'm going to throw in this as a nice little bonus. You're also going to get access to the Lost Code, which is basically a traffic and affiliate course, as well as the Incognito course. So all these are amazing bonuses that are going to just give you a little bit more information on how you can go out there and do more with your internet marketing journey, make more money. So I'm going to hand you all of these bonuses. This is an exclusive bonus that only I'm offering, the Affiliate Marketing Secrets. You can't get this from anyone else. So anyway, you'll get access to all of these if you pick up Formula 10K through me. If you guys have any more questions about this, let me know. I mean, I did want to break down as well some of the other upsells that they'll be offering. So the base level training you'll get if you spend just $13, and they're probably going to raise the price on this because it looks like it's set up at kind of a weird number. So I'm assuming it's going to go up probably to $20, $30 over time. Then they have some done for you funnels, so they're going to give you access to some of the pages that probably are converting for them. So that may or may not be a good bonus to pick up. I know that, you know, creating pages like, let me see if I jump back. So this is the page that I created for my bonus page. I have a feeling that they're going to give you like a done for you version of something like this, so you could actually go out and utilize this and make your own bonus bundles when you do your launch jacking. So let's see, what else are they offering? They've got the same money page we're using to get leads into our business, so that may or may not be interesting to take advantage of. Infinite profit sequence, make more money from all your campaigns with our virtually unlimited sequence of over 200 campaigns. So sounds somewhat interesting. High ticket integration, attach our high converting big commission system to all of your campaigns and make way more per sale. So this just sounds like an affiliate program that you could basically go out there and make additional money from promoting some of these bigger ticket items. And then they have an unlimited traffic program, siphon the traffic from our sales pages and redirect it to whatever you want. And I've seen other offers like this where they include this. Basically what they'll allow you to do is probably put like some kind of pixel. So if you were to run like Facebook ads or Google ads, you could actually retarget the traffic that they've been getting to all of their sales pages, which could be very, very powerful if used correctly. So again, all these are really good offers. Really just depends on what you decide. You can get plenty of information just from the front end product to actually go and implement all of this. The training itself is pretty basic. It's not going to take you more than probably like a day to go through this entire thing. There's probably less than 2 hours of content in here. It would really be up to you to go out there and take action on it. I do see a lot of other internet marketers utilizing this same method And if you see that many people doing it, it's most likely working. And I went and tested it myself. I was able to earn $500 a day and do this. So if you guys are interested in basically going out there, utilizing this launch jacking method, building out your YouTube channel, going and reviewing products, then this is going to be a great product to definitely pick up and consider implementing and taking action on. So anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions for me. Leave a comment below, and I'll leave a link below where you can go and pick up the Formula 10K. Again, if you decide to do that, I'll include all my bonuses. You'll get the 0-hour workdays, affiliate marketing secrets, evergreen leads business, the loss code, and the incognito product. All right, talk to you later.